Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to continue with dividing our decimals. This time we have pictorial representations to help us to get through this. So we have our flat, which represents this one. We have our lines here that represents our tenths. Then we have our circles that represents our hundredths. So when we are dividing, we are always starting with a total. So we have to figure out what the total here is. We know we have one whole, and that whole is 100. We also need to count our tenths. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But 10 of these is equal to one of these. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that means we have two of these. We have 200. So that's another 100. And then we need to count our circles here, or our hundredths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I'm going to add all of those up. I have 4 here, 2, and 2. So my total is 224. And I'm going to write that down right there. Let me erase this. So I have 224, and I know I am dividing. But what am I dividing by? When I look at these models remind me of area model. Area model is kind of what we use for math, or like an array. You guys have done arrays in 4th grade, so you guys should be familiar with what an array looks like. When I look at this model, I know that I'm going to be multiplying or dividing by something that's being represented in this area. So what's happening here? I have my 10, which is this one, and then I have my 4 tenths. How many of my tenths are in this one whole? I know that that's 10. There's 10 of those there. And I have another plus 4. Very similar to our area model that we use, or for box method. So 10 plus 4 is 14. I still have 10 on this side, because again, I have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10 on this side, with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 6. That's 16. So 224 divided by 14 is equal to 16. Now it asks us to do 2 related division sentences. So all they're asking you to do is to make sure that you understand when you have your total, you can divide it both ways. 224 divided by 14 is equal to 16. 224 divided by 16 is equal to 14. Those numbers are interchangeable. You have to make sure you're starting with your total. You cannot change this number with those numbers. Only these 2 numbers are interchangeable. Let's work on our next one. Step 1 is figuring out your total. How much is this all together? So this represents 100. So I know I have 100. And again, I'm going to write that over here. Now I'm going to count my tenths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 90. And I'm going to count the hundredths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I'm going to add all of those up so I can get my total. 4, 9 plus 1. Regroup. So now I have 204. That's my total. My total is going to go on both lines. I know I'm dividing. That's why it's important for us to read the titles. It kind of tells you what you're doing. What am I dividing it by? This flat has 10 tenths inside of it. So this is 10. This is 2 tenths plus 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. What is my answer? This flat has another 10 rows in it. So that's another 10 plus how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to recount that because I don't think I counted it right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I did. So 10 plus 7 is 17. So from here, I know that 204 divided by 12 is 17. If that's the case, then 204 divided by 17 equals 12, because both of these numbers are interchangeable. We do not change the total. The total remains the same. At this time, you are going to now complete these two problems by yourself. I am going to give you the total for the first one. I am not going to give you the total for the second one. You need to figure that out on your own. So let's figure out my total here. I know I have 100, and I will have to count my tenths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 of these. If I have 12 of these, that means I have 10, I have 100, a flat, but then I have 2 more of these, 2 more. So that's 120. So I have this 100 plus another 120, and then now I need to count my hundredths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. I'm going to add those up so that I can get my total. 7 is here, 4, and then 2. So my total here is 247. I know what operation I'm doing, so I need to put that symbol. I'm also going to put the total here because I have to do 2 different problems. And now it's your turn to analyze the problem, figure out what are the factors that you would have, your divisors and your quotient. Divisor, quotient. Divisor, quotient. You are also going to glue this inside of your interactive journal. Go to the division tab. Open it up. And behind that, so we have our division tab. I want you to write whole numbers on the first page. Again, write whole numbers on the second page. Write whole numbers on the third page, and then on the fourth page, go ahead and put decimals. This is where you are going to glue down this page. And yes, we're going to sit it sideways every time, and it should fold inside.